Alrighty, we are back. This is the biggest dancing drums explosion machine I've ever seen. You do have to bet the top 2 bets to be eligible there for the explosion of $375. We just don't have the bankroll for that. So we're going to bet our normal bet. That's the grand, major, minor, and mini. Goal is every time you get one of the wild symbols, which is the little Chinese character there, it fills up the pot. Once the pot is full, or more so randomly, it will close and you get to choose to get a progressive. You also are looking for 3 dancing drums. We're going to play $1.88 per spin. Started with 163. Now, I believe if you get through the 3 drums with one of the drums being a gold drum, it is a little special of a bonus. So that's the pot thing that needs to fill up. Those are also wild symbols. The drums do have to be starting on reel 1 and consecutively. Oh, we're missing a drum on the front wheel. The wilds do count towards the drums. That was a kind of a cool one there. I think that was a special. So if we had a drum or a wild on that second wheel there, we would have had 5 total drums. I don't know if there's any difference, like extra spins or something maybe. We needed one on that third wheel. I do like the bonuses. Oh, we got it. And you can get a bonus and a bonus. So while you're in your free spins, you can fill the coin thing up. Let's go with 10 games. That's a really big machine here. Like I said, you can get the bonus in the bonus. But either way, you still got to line them up. And I believe you can re-trigger as well the free spins. We are halfway through. $20.1 bonus so far. We'll spin 9. Got one more spin, last spin. So we are looking at a $24 bonus there. Alrighty.
Greetings, casino guests, and welcome.
Let's do a couple extra spins here.
As a gentle reminder, guests are required to wear a mask or face covering while using the
And we'll move on to the next one. And
complimentary masks are available upon request for security stations. Thank you for visiting Kashada, and good luck at the games.
Would have been nice to have something lined up there on the front row. All right, last spin. Alrighty, we are cashing out here 119. I believe we started with 163. Let's go to our next one. Alrighty, we are going to do a double top dollar. It is one of the older style reels, I believe. We are going to choose 25-cent denomination, and we are going to max bet. We're looking for the top dollar symbol on the last wheel. This is a single pay line. Let me see if I can set up my tripod on the chair here. Let's take a look. You do want to get that top dollar symbol on the last wheel. Lined up right there in the middle. I haven't even seen it yet. Ah, there it is. That's the symbol right there. Makes a pretty cool noise when you hit it. Oh, let's get another double diamond. Oh, that'd have been sick. That would have been 2,400 credits, $600. Like I said, I'm new to making the videos. If there's something y'all like or don't like, please let me know. See if I can change it or work on it. Good. I started this machine with 119. We're down to 112. Oh, that one was there. That would have been the biggest payout there, the 2,400 coins. We'll play down to $100. Hopefully we can hit the top dollar by then. I am here in Kinder, Louisiana, at the Coushatta Casino and Resorts. This is one of the first casinos I ever gambled at when I turned 21. My dad brought me out here. Well, actually, he brought me to Lake Charles first, because that's from our house, that's the closest. Played there at the Isle of Capri, then crossed over the bridge and played there on the old Harrah's boat that they had there. Loved the Harrah's boat, miss it. And of course, you know, after Hurricane Rita, the boat was grounded up on land and they sold their gaming rights, I believe, to L'Auberge de Lac. Paris has a really good point system there. You gamble in any of their casinos and it carries over to all of them pretty much. Oh, all three of those down one would have been awesome. All right, last couple spins here. We're getting close to that $3. I was hoping to get that top dollar right there in that middle line there and show you that feature. Essentially, they give you a certain number of picks and the lights light up on the dollar bills above and you either accept it or you don't. All right, last spin. All right, folks, that is it. We are cashing out $100.27. Alrighty, we're back. We're gonna play the Jinsdao Fu Lion. Kind of cool looking character there, huh? Here are all the progressive. Negative is 10,000, major 600, minor 50, and mini is 10. We got $129, almost $130 in the machine. And we are going to be betting the second level here, $1 spin.
While visiting us here at Coshada Casino Resort, complimentary masks are available upon request at security stations.
We probably need 3 of those yin yang signs to trigger a bonus. And I believe this might also have a hold and spin feature, which you would probably need 5 to 6 of those pearls to trigger that. I don't think I've ever played this game, so we're just going to kind of see where it goes. The characters on here are pretty cool. Even that little rat thing there in the middle is kind of cool looking. Love the piggies, though. Why do they always make the pigs so happy? Well, let's see. Okay, that's 6 of them, so it didn't trigger. So, oh, we need 1 more. I don't know what's wild either, or if it even has a wild. See, 2, 4, 6, 7. I mean, there's 7 of them. I'll tell you what, let's hit the page button and find out what's up with that. If 1 or 2 pearls appear on reel 1, then before the reels evaluate pearls will nudge up or down to fill all 3 positions of that reel. Huh, okay. All right, let's exit. So I think we gotta have one at least on the front row, I think is what it sounds like. We'll play it down to $100 and see where this one goes. He keeps shaking his head at me. Really cool looking little lion though, isn't he? Kind of a turquoise looking thing. Some little rats. Now we're getting down to the last couple spins here. I wish I had one on the front row because that would have been a nice one. Even got a mini in there. All right, last spin. All right, we are going to cash out at $100 here and go to the next one. Alrighty, we are back. We are going to be playing the Willy Wonka Wonkavator machine. It's kind of a big, awkward machine. That's the top jackpot prize, but I believe you got to be betting max bet, maybe? We love the Wonkas, love the nostalgia of it. We've got $100 in the machine. And we're going to be betting $1.50. Oh, that's cool. Then we need another bonus. So if you get 2 bonuses, it does do a respin for a 3rd one so that it can trigger. Also, it does have a random Oompa Loompa feature that does trigger on any bet. Oh, there's Grandpa going all the way across there. A lot of the Grandpas. $12 hit there. This is the Oompa Oompa Loompa feature here. Keep growing. Grow it all the way up. Go some more. There you go. You can go all the way to the top there, you know. There you go. I won't be able to get all of it in there. That's a pretty big feature. I don't know what those are, but I think they're pretty cool. Oh, they trigger which way Wild will go. Oh, okay. Well, that one went all the way down. That one went all the way up. Oh, cool. A lot of money bags. And no multiplier. Looks to be like a pretty decent win there. I like instead of coins, it's shooting candy up at you. That's pretty cool. $34 hit there. We are in the profit territory for this machine. We're at 129.64. Let's do some follow-up spins for a little bit here and see where we go. Maybe hit one of them rocket ship bonuses. Oh, there's a lot of Wonkas. You need at least 3 of those bonuses to trigger. 2 of them will trigger and you get at least a respin for a 3rd. There's a lot of licorices. We'll play it back down to $100, which is where we started, and see where we're at. We're at 104 right now. Got 2 more spins here. Alright, that's gonna be it for the Wonka. We're gonna be cashing out at 150. See you at the next machine.